wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best racquetball rackets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Ideal for athletes on a budget or those who are just learning the game, the Python Intro 5000 is a reliable entry-level choice. Its balance point is close to the handle, which makes it more maneuverable for beginners honing their swings. It's very affordable and durable enough for aggressive play. However, the wrist lanyard is short. At number 9, the Gearbox GB75 provides all the control of flagship models in a heavier and more affordable frame. Its shape creates a large and forgiving sweet spot, which is perfect for intermediate players focused on improving their game. This is a sturdy single-tube construction with durable monofilament strings, but it is too heavy for advanced players. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Named for the Greek god of the underworld, the head Hades provides ample shock dampening and an extra pop for big hitters. Its carbon construction means it's light and maneuverable while remaining stiff and responsive. It features Teflon-lined tubes that reduce friction and a secure, tacky grip. However, it is less durable than some competitors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racquetball rackets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the E-Force Bedlam features plastic tubes at the throat, which mute vibrations without taking away feel. Its large hoop and 170-gram weight make it a versatile all-around performer and a good choice for a variety of levels. This is a graphite construction with a generous sweet spot and a long handle that accommodates big hands. Moving up our list to number 6. With a wide range of available weights, the E-Force Apocalypse provides options for every player. Its extended grommets stabilize the bed on off-center hits, and its main strings extend all the way through the handle to add extra zing on your shots. It has a crisp and lively feel and boasts pinpoint control. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Halfway up our list at number 5. The ektelon Toron Pro 170 ESP has a teardrop shape and only 12 vertical strings, which give it considerable power. It's reinforced with a carbon fiber that increases stability without adding weight or compromising maneuverability. It sports a sleek black and red design and works for a wide range of players. It's more durable than many. At number 4, the hoop of the Wilson Pro Staff Countervail includes strategically placed carbon fiber, which dampens vibrations and maximizes energy transfer to the ball. Over the course of a long match, it also can help reduce fatigue. It comes in a teardrop shape and is evenly balanced, with a consistent response across the bed. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Wilson Striker is ideal for recreational players and beginners who want to explore the game. Its generous head size is forgiving when you miss the sweet spot, and its heavy weight and open fan pattern add plenty of power. It's made from a robust heat-treated aluminum alloy with an integrated wrist strap. It provides a good bang for the buck. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racquetball rackets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Head I-165 is a step up from beginner models, and its combination of stiffness and touch makes it a good choice for all abilities. It has high torsional stiffness, which adds stability and helps you control the trajectory of your shots. It features a maneuverable 103 square inch hoop, a versatile 16 by 19 string pattern, and an excellent value. And coming in at number 1 in our list, the Gearbox GB250 offers power and precision for advanced players. It's available in several colors and grip sizes, so you can find the style that best suits your game. It offers a great feel and control, a well-balanced hybrid frame, and a dampener system that minimizes vibrations. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racquetball rackets, or simply click beneath this video.